Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adana. Here I will make a tutorial installing Windows 7 on a computer. Select a language, choose English language, then click Next Language Setting. Start the install process. Click Install Now to start the installation. Install Now, confirmation of agreement. Click I accept the link's term, then click Next Approve. Click to approve installation. Select Advanced option. Choose Advanced or Advanced option for installing a Windows 7 Advanced installing file system. At this step, very important, click Custom Advanced. At this step, very important, click Custom Advanced. This step means that you will install Windows 7 from the beginning, so that it will be like new and delete all the old system. Set partition or rank partition as desired. Wait for the Windows file transfer process, starting the installation process, installing Windows. The installation process really starts. If you have reached this step, you can really relax because it will then run automatic. Don't click anything, just leave it to restart by itself. If at the time of expanding Windows file have error, meaning the memory of the laptop or your computer is damaged, try to repeat again from the beginning. If error, if it's smooth, Windows will restart automatic. Wait for the expand process. The installation process continue automatic. Then it will restart itself. If using a DVD does nothing, but if you ask the flash disk after the image restart, the flash disk must be revoked. Automatic restart. After restart, in this step, do not click anything. If click later, start again a step above. If you ask flash disk, there is no picture above. It has already been revoked. Let the process continue. Just let it not click anything in this step. Updating registry setting, enhance advanced installation, just left it zipper installation. Improve the Windows installation process. Left it, don't click anything. If you push the mouse or drink coffee, you can. click anything. The Windows installation process is almost complete and will restart automatically. It continues after restart. Fill in the data. Fill in the name for laptop, computer, free, then click next. Fill in the password if desired. Fill in the password to enter Windows 7 set password. You don't need to fill in except for a laptop or computer that you want to ask password or keyword, then click next. Fill in the product key code if you already have one. Windows 7 product key. Click skip if you don't have a product key. If you already have a Windows 7 code, type the code in the box provided and click automatic activate Windows. If you don't have a code, don't fill anything. Next to next. There will be skip, so click skip. Select recommendation set. Click as recommended setting. Recommend setting, set the time. Set the actual time, adjust the time you want, then click next. Time setting. Finish. The Windows 7 installation process is complete.